nandito ako ngayon sa kitchen. Gagawa tayo ng mayonnaise, egg mayonnaise guys for our breakfast. Ayan, samahan nyo ako guys na gumawa ng mayonnaise egg. Sana masiyahan kayong manood sa konting video natin. At ayan, gagawa na tayo. Gawa tayo ng egg, smash egg and this mayonnaise. For breakfast, for the breakfast guys. Ayan, gagawa tayo ng smash egg, 2 itlog guys. Ito ang breakfast natin. Mayo egg. So, lagyan natin ng guys. Ayan, mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise. At saka, lagyan natin ng kunting white pepper. Ayan. So, ito yung breakfast natin. Ayan, okay na yan guys. So, that's all. It's a very simple guys, our breakfast. Simple breakfast. So, magtimpla muna tayo ng kape. So, this is our Indo coffee. 2-in-1, no sugar. Ayan. So, meron na pa akong 2 banana dito guys. Kumakain ako ng banana everyday. 1 everyday. So, yan. O, diba? O, yeah. Dahil so, asan na yung natin? Yung plate natin. Gawa tayo ng yan, yung ating breakfast. 4 pieces of bread. Yan guys. So, ito dito tayo guys. Gawa na lang ako ng breads. So, yung ating bread medyo matigas-tigas. Hindi siya soft, guys. Yan. Tira, pwede naman gamitin next, our breakfast. So, ayan. Ready na. Ready to eat, guys. My yummy breakfast. Is this my breakfast? 4 pieces of bread. Ayan. So, dito tayo. Ayan, guys. So, yan. Samahan nyo akong kumain. Bye! Ayan na siya, guys. Ayan. Yung sarap. Ito yung paborito ko, guys. Egg mayo. Solve na to, wala nang merienda mamaya. Sarap. Ayan, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.